Hi, welcome to the Mathletics Teacher Console and to Assign and Review. Here in Assign and Review, check out Refreshed Assign and Review, and this is where you can assign and review all content from one dashboard. In this area, you can assign curriculum activities, skills quests, benchmarking assessments, and problem-solving and reasoning challenges. Here on the left-hand side, we can filter by class and we can filter by learning group. If we scroll down a little bit further, we can see each individual student and we can see data that's populated. If we click into this drop down here, we can see the average accuracy. We can see how many activities are currently assigned, how many are completed, and how many are overdue. We can drill down into this data a little bit further and we can take a look at those activities assigned, and we can make updates and modifications if we want to modify the dates. We can also take a look at those activities which are classed as overdue, and we can take a look at the activities which are completed. We can see the accuracy score. We can see how many times these activities have been completed. And we can also see whether these are voluntary attempts or teacher assigned only. Okay. If we jump back into Refreshed and Assign and Review, there's also the option to assign problem solving and reasoning challenges. And the problem solving and reasoning challenges help students develop critical and creative mathematical thinking. Teachers are provided with instant access to multi-level questions that can make mathematics lessons extraordinary. The problem-solving and reasoning questions can be filtered from topics to grade levels to depth of knowledge as well. Simply select challenges. You can preview these activities by selecting this drop-down arrow here. You can access teacher notes, and then you can assign to all of your students, or you can assign to individual students by selecting the individual cell. And once these are assigned, they've been assigned to your students with immediate effect. Here in Refreshed Assign and Review, I would also like to highlight that the skills quests target a single concept from within a topic or learning journey. So these skills quests are curriculum aligned sets of questions, and some quests will move through more than one level. Students need to either get a streak of 5 correct or 6 out of 8 to complete the skills quests. And here on the left-hand side, you can also access teacher notes and you can preview the activity prior to assigning. If you like what you see, you can click into the cell to assign an activity to an individual student, set a start date, set an end date, and select Assign. Alternatively, you can assign an activity to all of your students by selecting this box here, this multi-select box, select Assign, select a start date, select an end date, and select Assign. In addition to assigning activities, you can also assign assessments, and in the assessments area, simply select the curriculum, select the year level, select the assessment. You can make updates to the assessment using the filter. So you can remove questions if you would like to remove these specific questions to deliver a shorter assessment to your students. You can preview the selection here and then apply a filter. If you want to assign an assessment to your students, simply select this icon here to assign to students in your class. Set the assessment length or set the question length. Create random sequence per student, or leave this blank, and then schedule the assessment period. When you're assigning an assessment in Mathletics, my recommendation would be that you make a note of the assessment that's been assigned to your students. So when you return to this area, you can find this information quickly and easily. Thank you very much, everybody, and bye for now.